Strategic planning is key for any organization. The track record of strategic planning is notoriously bad. A key reason is that people suffer from a planning fallacy, making them bad at planning. This is what it means and what you can do about it. The planning fallacy is a bias that leads individuals and organizations to underestimate the time, resources, and difficulty required to complete a project. As a result, managers fail to anticipate and plan for potential roadblocks and delays which can lead to project failure or significant cost overruns. One of the tools to deal with this problem is the pre-mortem, as per Gerion. The core idea of the pre-mortem is simple. Before a decision about a strategy is made, you collectively imagine a future in which the strategy has failed and conduct a post-mortem analysis to determine the reason for this failure. As shown on the diagram on your screen, so instead of trying to find out after the fact why a strategy has failed, which is post-mortem, the analysis is done pre-mortem, before the implementation of the strategy has started and even before the strategy itself has been finalized. The pre-mortem differs from traditional risk assessment and scenario planning methods in an important and interesting way. It takes advantage of the tendency for individuals to better explain past events than imagine future events. This is known as hindsight bias, the tendency to know things better afterwards. By imagining a future failure and looking back, the pre-mortem allows for prospective hindsight. In other words, it uses one bias, the hindsight bias that is, to beat another bias, the planning fallacy. So, if you ever have conducted a pre-mortem or post-mortem for that matter, and if you have any feedback on this diagram, which is goes in phases, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.